Hello everyone, I am your host Ayushi Karasethia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn that whenever a new record is added in Airtable, how you can automatically create contact in high-level CRM. So the idea here is that you are maintaining your customer database in your Airtable account. Now you want that whenever you enter the details of a new customer in your Airtable base, automatically a new contact should be created in your high-level CRM account. For this, we need to create a connection between Airtable and high-level CRM so that whenever a new customer data is entered in your Airtable base, automatically a new contact is created. So in this particular integration, we are using two software applications. The first one is Airtable, which is a spreadsheet program. So in place of Airtable, we can even use Google Sheets, Grist, Stackby or any other spreadsheet program. And the second application we are using is High-Level, which is a CRM software application. So in place of High-Level, we can also use Copper, HubSpot CRM, Zoho CRM or any other CRM software application. So how we are going to create an integration between Airtable High-Level CRM account, this we will be learning in the further steps of the video. First, let us check this in the real time that how this complete process works automatically. So this is my Airtable base named Airtable to High-Level. And this is my high-level CRM account where I have just two contacts over here. So now I want that whenever I enter the details of a customer over here in my Airtable base, automatically a new contact should get created over here in my high-level account. So let's add the details. I'm just going to give the first name as Adam, last name as Smith, email address as adamsmith11@gmail.com. Let's add the phone number. So we have entered all the details. Now let us check our high-level account. I'm just going to refresh it. Okay, and here we can find a new contact named Adam Smith. Here we can find his phone number, his email address and the created date and time. So now here you might be wondering that I just added the data of my customer over here in my Airtable base and automatically the same contact is created over here in my high-level account. So how did I manage to do this? Let me tell you, this has become possible just because of the automation and the integration process. So in order to create an integration between Airtable and high-level CRM, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating both these software applications automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So first we have to create an integration between Airtable and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect is going to capture all the details of the customer that you have entered in your Airtable base. And using the details of the customer, automatically a new contact will be created into your high-level CRM account. And in this way, we are going to learn that how we can create an integration between Airtable and high-level CRM using Pabbly Connect. So let us run the integration process now. For this, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to Products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on Sign Up for Free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option and you will get 100 tasks free every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on Sign In. In the All Apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on Access Now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on Create Workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Airtable to High-Level Integration. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on Create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever a new record is added in your Airtable account, automatically a new contact should be created in high-level CRM account. So open this trigger window And here in the choose application, let us find Airtable. In the trigger event, we have to select new record. Click on connect. Click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the token. So let us read the instructions. Log into Airtable to get your API key from the account section. So I'll just take you to my Airtable account. So this is my Airtable account. Here we have to come to the profile. Click on account. And here when we scroll down, we can find the API key. So if you want to regenerate the API key, you can click it over here, or else we are going to simply copy this key from here and we will be pasting the same key over here as token. And simply click on save. Okay, now the Airtable account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now as we are connected, we can find all the bases here in Pabbly Connect, the bases that we have created in our Airtable account. So I'll just take you to my Airtable account once again. Here I have created some bases, and the base which we are going to use right now is Airtable to high level base. I'm just going to open it. And in this particular base, I have created a table name, table 1, where I have taken the fields for the first name of the customer, last name, email address, phone number, and the created date and time. So let us select this particular base and the table name here in Pabbly Connect. So the base name was Airtable to high level. Now as we have created just one single table in this particular base, the table name is automatically captured. Okay. Now here we have to select the trigger field. So let us read the instructions. Create a field in your table schema with a field name created and field type created time. If you do not have a created field in your table schema, please create one that will be used to sort records, because without this field, trigger will not work correctly. That is the reason I have created a field name created and I have selected the field type as created time over here. So it is mandatory to create this particular field to run the trigger. Okay. So we have already selected the field over here, the trigger field as created. Now before clicking on save and send test request, first we have to enter the details of a customer into our Airtable base, just because after clicking on this option, it is going to capture the latest response. So let's create an entry over here. Let's give the first name as Shikha, last name as Arya, email address as shikhaarya23@gmail.com, and I'm entering the mobile number or the phone number over here. And the created date and time is automatically captured. Now let's move to Pabbly Connect, and now we are going to click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received. Here we can find the created date and time captured. Okay, here we can find the first name, last name, email address, and the mobile number of the customer, and this is the created time. Okay. So now here I want to give you an important information that here you can see that the data has captured immediately. But sometimes it may take some time in fetching the data, as the trigger here is polling based. So if your data doesn't get captured immediately, don't worry about that, and please wait for 15-20 minutes patiently. The data will surely arrive. Okay, so now we want that using these details of the customer, automatically a new contact should be created into your Go High Level CRM account. So come to this action window, and here in the choose application, let us find High Level. In the action event, we have to select create contact. Click on connect. Click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the token. So let us read the instructions. To get location API key bearer token, log into your Go High Level account, go to the settings, move to company and find the API key. So I'll just take you to my Go High Level account also. And here we are just going to choose an account, and I'm just selecting the account as Magnet Brains over here. And when we scroll down, here we can find the contacts, and here I'm just going to open this contact list. So now I want that all the contacts should be created over here. For that, I'll just go to the settings option over here at last. And here when we scroll down, here we can find the API key. So I'm just going to copy this API key from here. Okay, we'll go back to Pabbly Connect and we will be pasting the same API key over here. This is the token, okay? And let's click on save. Okay, and now the high level account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to give the first name, last name, full name, all the details of the customer which we have already received through the Airtable account over here. So we are going to map all these details now. Okay, I'm just going to map the first name from Airtable, and the first name was Shikha. Let us map the last name from Airtable as Arya. Full name. So we are going to map both of them together, the first name as well as the last name. Okay. Here we have to map the email address. Here we have to map the phone number. Okay. And we don't have the address details, so we are just leaving these fields as blank. We don't have the tags, time zones. If you have all these details, you can map it over here. And let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received. It means a new contact is created in our high level account. Okay, so I'll just move to my high level account. Let's go to the contact list over here. Okay, and here we can find a new contact named Shikha Arya along with the phone number, email address and the created date and time. So in this way we can see that our integration is working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay, now we have to check this in the real time. For that, I'll just move to my Airtable account and I'm just going to create a new customer database over here. I'll just click on this plus sign. Let's give the first name as Kuldeep, last name as Jan. Let's give the email address as jankuldeep123@gmail.com. Let's add the mobile number. Okay, and here we can see the created date and time is automatically captured. So we have entered the details of the customer. Now let us check our high level account. I'm just going to refresh it. And here, even after refreshing, we can't find the customer details or a new contact over here, just because I have already informed you that the trigger here is polling based and it will take time to capture the response. So let's wait for some time. So it's almost 5 to 6 minutes. I'm just going to refresh it once again. Okay, and here we can see the customer details, name as Kuldeep Jain. Here we can find the phone number, his email address and the created date and time. So in this way we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. Okay, so first we have created an integration between Airtable and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the customer that you have entered in your Airtable base, and using the details of the customer, automatically a new contact is created into your high level account. And in this way we have created a successful integration between Airtable and high level using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can connect us to this Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video and this video are helpful for you, then please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.